In this video, we'll talk about some more AutoCAD commands. The first one we'll talk about arc. First of all, this time we'll change the units into architectural. And click OK. And just click OK. And then draw a line and 10 feet. Then offset 1 foot. Link the two endpoints. Offset 3 feet. Line 10 feet. Copy. So we'll use this as an opening. And draw a line 3 feet to right 2 inches. And down 3 feet. And input C for close. And click space. Now we'll use arc command to finish this door. Arc. Click on one endpoint and click somewhere middle and click the endpoint of the door. But you'll notice that the center point of this arc is not on this hinge. So I'll delete this one. Draw arc again. Here's an option to select center. So we'll select this center and click on the center of the arc. Click start point and end point. This time the center point of this arc is exactly on the hinge. The next command we want to learn is Polyline. When you select these lines, they are individual lines. But imagine you have a very complicated drawing like this. Then you may want to link all the lines to make a polyline. So this time we'll draw a polyline. PL. And we'll just click some random place. And this time if you select this line, it is linked. It's a polyline. And also when we draw the polyline, we can use specific length. For example, 1 inch, and this way 10 inch, and 1 inch, and 10 inch. But let's imagine you have already drawn this using line, and there are individual lines, and you want to link them. In that case, you can use Polyline Edit command, which is PE, and select one of the lines. Then when you look at the command window, it asks you if you want to turn this line into polyline. Then type Y and space. Here's the join. You can click on it or type J, space, and select all of them and space. And one more time, space. Then this line will turn into polyline. You can also set the thickness of the polyline. Let's first bring out the property dialog box. Type in CH. And a panel pops up. Click on the band at the left and select auto hide. Then when you draw your mouse out of the panel, this will hide. And put your mouse on this bar, the panel will pop up again. This time click on allow docking and again anchor left. So this is the way I want to work with. To change the thickness of the polyline, we'll select the polyline and go to property panel. And you'll see there is a global width parameter. Select the parameter and you give a width so the polyline will have a thickness.